तेका तुमच्या तेका व्यवस्थित येता सिंदुरांगा घालता काळ्या गोळा बसता आनी
गणपतीचो अवतार
डुप्लिकेट
म्हणजे हांवें चडशें करून ती मायथॉलॉजी धूम्रकेतूची वाचूंक ना म्हणजे म्हाका वाचपाची आसा पूण खंय तरी गणपती पुराणांत तो जो उल्लेख आयला आसतलो न्ही दिस इज अ reincarnation of Lord Ganesh Mahavishnu has painted when there is evil in the world, the Lord Ganesha takes a new form and then destroys the evil. That is what this is on Delhi episode. This is the latest brand new painting, I believe, that original, which is modeled after I think one of the very famous European painting called The Scream. She has brought one more up. मातशें मोजांबीकचो आफ्रिकन इन्फ्लुएन्स दिसलो म्हाका रायट न्हू ही वॉज इन मोजांबीक कितली वर्सां आशिल्ले तुमी मोजांबीकान 13 वर्सां ओके फॉर सम टायम आय थिंक यू वर टॉर्चर्ड एंड पुट इन this one then the liberators took over no then I think the new regime after the revolution was more sympathetic
Goa before Parikara.
I cry for you. Okay. You can take some on this also.